Hey, it's Tyler here. Now, don't mind the dungeon appearance here just in the man cave, but I wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to set up a wisdom chatbot for your content. So I'm going to walk you through how to do it here on the Searchie YouTube channel. So to make the chatbot, we come to apps, we click on Searchie Wisdom, and then we're going to click this plus button up here, and I'm going to name it new chatbot. Okay. Now let's click on this here. And this is going to take you into the back end. This is where you can customize the styling, your fonts, your colors, your images, all of that to really make this on brand. Okay, so maybe we want this to be a new YouTube chatbot. Okay, so we're going to scroll down to headline here. We're going to update that new YouTube chatbot, and I want to add a description. So get answers to any question from our YouTube channel. Okay, and there we go. We'll click save. And just like that, we have our chatbot all styled and ready to go. Now we need to select the content we want this to reference. So if you have protected IP, you don't want it to reference everything in your library, you can come here, select folders, and we're just going to select the Searchie YouTube folder from our library. Okay, and click save once again. And just like that, it's set up to reference only the content from our Searchie YouTube channel. Okay, now let's click on settings back here. And there's one additional feature here, which is called collect leads. So this is already pretty much set up, good to send out, and people are going to be able to interact with it. But if you want to use this as a lead generating system, you can click this collect leads, toggle this on, and what that's going to do is people can come to the page and still type in their questions, but when they type it in the first time, they're going to get this prompt where they have to enter their email and their name and submit that, and then it's going to give them the answers. So you can use this as a great way to provide additional value to your audience and be able to build your email list at the same time. So it's a really awesome feature, and all you have to do is turn that on. You can again customize the message that you want it to say up here. You could toggle on whether you want it to require their name or not, but we're just going to leave it as is. Click save, and then you have essentially two options to share this with your audience. Okay, so if you click on this button up here, this actually brings you to the URL. Okay, so this is a full web page just like you see here. If you copy and paste this to someone, this is what it's going to bring them to, and they'll be able to ask their questions in here. What is a lead magnet? And it's going to be able to generate the responses. Okay, now if you this is going to go in the background, but if you want to embed this in your own website, then you're going to click this button up here. It just says embed, and that gives you the embed code. Again, you just click that, it's copied, you paste it into your website in the back end, whatever you're using for your platform. And that way it will embed your chatbot right into your site. And you can see if we come back here, it's already generating the response based off of the content from our YouTube channel. All right, so that is it. That is really as quick and easy as it is to set this up. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Back to the rest of the presentation.